So again, what are you I want you guys to all understand this, especially those of you still on. I am not saying that buying courses is bad. In fact, I sell courses. I am just saying that what most people do is they learn a little bit of information, they get a little bit of knowledge, and they create a basic course. They're not expert course creators. They create a basic course, and their goal is to make as much money as they can off the course. They don't understand customer experience. They usually don't have a unique strategy that can't be found somewhere else. It is very difficult to actually find good quality training. It's very, very difficult. It does exist, but likely, I would say for every $1,000 course you buy, maybe 1 in 20 are going to be good. So you're probably going to spend $20,000 to get that needle in that haystack. Again, I'm not saying not to buy courses or not even to create courses. I'm just letting you know the reality. I'm a realist. So I'm saying if you're going to buy a course, you should be able to tell me what your outcome is, what you're paying for before you spend the money. Now, if I'm selling you a course, the same goes. I don't expect you to hold a different standard to me. There might be a deeper relationship with us. You know what I'm saying? Like you might, hey, Chris delivers so much value. You know, he puts his heart into it. Great. There might be that. But don't treat me separate. If you're going to buy a course, before you spend money, I want you to be able to tell me what you're going to get out of this course. Because if you don't go in with that, you're not going to come out with it. So when they told me what they were going to get out of the TikTok course, there was nothing I couldn't give them for free right there. And I go, hey, what questions do you have about TikTok? I mean, you have me as a free mentor. You literally can jump in my DMs. I've answered, if you look, I've answered every single question that you've asked. So you have a free mentor who's done millions of dollars for free that you've asked questions to. And I've happened to answer all your questions because I respect you. What question did I not answer that you felt the need to go pay somebody $1,000 for? Now, and here's the thing, it's not a trick. If they could really answer me legitimately, then I would say, good job. You passed the test. You should go take that course. I'm not anti-course. I'm all about knowledge.